case you're wondering where I'm taking you, through all of this shrubbery out here, we're going to the new Smyrna beach. Sugar mill ruins. If I have some coffee, I load it full of sugar. Sugar mill ruins. There's sugar in Mountain Dew. On a side note, I'm out here and I'm looking up in this tree. There are some birds fighting in a nest, and it is the most god-awful sound I've probably ever heard. See if you can listen into this. There's sugar in cupcakes. There's sugar in everything you love. Here's a contraption out here. A little known fact, not only did this help create sugar, but if someone that was helping out here talked back, they simply put their arm in here, mangled it up, released it, let it out, and then they'd have a party with some sugar. They'd sprinkle the sugar on top of the hand, and nothing would happen.